Hey, what's up, guys? How is it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video, you get notified. So basically, someone made a comment on Adsterra installation code I made, and the person says that sorry to ask, can you actually make another review about Adsterra and how much you earn so far so that we can know what we do and don't. Please tag me. And okay, what we do and don't, so please tag me if you do release it. So literally I make that video with the website, with the fact that I actually want to show people how to install Adsterra code. And as immediately I finished the video, I removed the ads code on the website because I'm running some other ads partnering with some other ads platform on the website. So, and literally I cannot have all of them on the website. And also I have some ads from Adsterra which is not actually user friendly on the website, and I don't like the fact that my post is ranking and is getting users attention and they are not able to focus on what they are on the website to do. So definitely that's more reason why I just decided to just remove all the ads from Adsterra from the platform for then continue using those ones I'm actually using on the website. So but with what that person actually say, if that person is actually watching this video, then that means the answer to your question is the fact that I remove Adsterra ads from the blog and I don't use Adsterra on the blog. It's just to make that video and how to install the code on your own website. So but these are the high-paying CPM that I just researched, and I believe they actually working perfectly. So and I have also do the research using the Adsterra, so I was able to get different results which they all share everything about their ads and the revenue that the users are actually making from the platform. So and also they list the different kind of ads they are running on the website in which you can actually use on your website. So you can then decide on the one that you actually want to use. Like I said earlier on, I don't like putting an ad on the platform. I definitely know that I'm gonna make money from the ads, but of course, what if user did not get what they actually want, or if that what they want will take them like 5 minutes, but at the end of the day they are spending 10 to 15 minutes due to the ads on the platform. Because some ads, once some ads pops up, all these, some of these Adsterra codes, once they pops up, they will redirect the user from one page to another or to multiple pages, and before that person get back to the exact page where he or she was on the website, the time will have gone, and that kind of person will have bad experience about the website. And some other day or in the future, the person, once the person see that website, he or she will not even click on the link, not to talk of reading the comment or see if the website has changed or not. So and some of the ads that I installed on the website back then are kind of like pop under or pop under. So this kind of ads will pop up, and once user doesn't know how to operate that kind of ads, so that ads will definitely take them from one website or from that particular website to another website, which is not very responsible. Because me personally, I don't like that kind of ads, and if I see that kind of ads on the website, I will definitely lose interest on that website and go from there to another website. The only option which might make me stick to that website was the fact that if I can't find that content on another website again, or probably the content on that website is very useful and means so much more to me, so I will consider giving it the time as it wants. Then after I get everything done from what I actually need on the website, then I'll just close all the tabs and I may not even come back again. So that's how I feel like, and of course I know some other people also will definitely feel like that. And it's also part of the reason why some websites that have large traffic doesn't use Adsterra, due to the fact that the way it chases user from out of the website. And there are some websites that just stick to Adsterra due to the fact that they are not able to use some other ads partnerships such as maybe Adten, Ezoic or Mediavine. So that's more reason why they just decide to just proceed with Adsterra and some other articles like that. I visited a website some days ago. The person actually asked me to review because AdSense is not approving that person's website. So I found lots of ads on the website, which of course I believe that they are not actually paying well. But this particular person doesn't have other choice than to just make sure he's getting something out of his blog, because he can't just leave the website just like that. So but with that, he just proceed with Adsterra and some other publisher platform which he can actually use to make money from his blog. So if you actually want to install iPaying or iCPM code using from the Adsterra, so I won't advise you to use these ads. Yes, these ads pay much more, but believe me, it will direct user out of your website to another website, and that is more reason why, because they believe that they want to get the attention of users. That's more reason why people will not have interest in your website. So but of course it's actually paying perfectly and it's paying well, and such goes as this ad as well. This one also popped up and I don't even like this one at all. This social, but I don't even like it at all. So scrolling down, there is one particular one that I like. So this Adsterra interstitial also makes sense, such as come with social bar. So I guess AdSense also have something related to this, but once you close this, the AdSense will definitely close perfectly. But this one, if you close it, it might also redirect you to another website which they are actually advertising on as it pops up on your browser while you are browsing on that particular website. So that is that. This is more recommendable one that I like a lot. It makes a lot of sense and doesn't chase user out of the platform. So once user visits the website, so they'll be able to see the ads, scroll up, then the ads will also refresh as it's supposed to be normal. So I like this ad as well. So I recommend this particular ad if you actually want to if you value your users, so definitely you can install this native banner ads. So going on, there is still another one, and as well as this display banner. This also make a lot of sense if you actually want to let your user have great experience about your website. So I'll advise that one as well. And this one is literally new ads, which is vast video ads. Just like if you have seen a website that run on Ezoic, so or Mediavine, so you don't see that this kind of ads. Though that might not be a YouTube video, but these are kind of like YouTube video, because these are the kind of video people actually want to promote on Adsterra. So this ad is also great as it's a video, so they are actually paying a lot. And this is a direct smart link which you can actually introduce in your article or in your content while you create a post for that particular direct post. And once user click on it, it will definitely direct them to another website, which is what Adsterra is actually promoting as you are a publisher. So let me show you my ads, so you can actually see that I've not active this ad. So as you can see here, your account status is inactive due to the traffic activities absent on your code. So start sending traffic if you need to reactivate your code or request new one. So as you can see here, I'm not running any ads on this platform, so you can see the balance here as well. So you can see all the codes that I have activated on the platform. So I activated like 5 codes, so you can see here. So if I want to, you can see this request anti ad block. So I don't recommend this ad at all. I don't even like it, to be fact. So I recommend this vast. I recommend this native banner for a perfect ads on your website. So if you use any of these two, trust me, your user are gonna have a great experience on your website, and there won't be any issue, and your traffic will still definitely maintain the same as it's supposed to be. So aside from that, this is just the best way to make money on your blog. And if you have enough traffic, so definitely you're going to make the best. And also those two those ads I recommend, they literally have ICPM, so you can trust them, and you can basically use them for a month and see how they perform on your blog. Then you'll be able to decide if you need to proceed with them, or you can also try this other one, which is pop under, and then the social bar as well. So then use them on your website and see if you can actually proceed with them. And also just put yourself in their viewers' shoes and just visit your website using incognito and see how the ads operate on your website, or use your mobile device to see how the ads operate on your website. If you like it as a user on your website, so you can just proceed and use these ads on your website. But if not, I would advise you to just remove that ads from your website to avoid bad experience from users. So this is all for you in this video, and if you have any question regarding Adsterra, you can drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.